Hi everybody. So this is the painting I just did. And I love this part right here, which is the first part. Look, I can make like, oh no. Hi, how are you? Okay, anywho. That's the first part that seeped out from under the flip cup when I was tilting the white. I want to see if I can do that over an entire painting. So, oh, look, here's a clock I'm working on. I just need to put a hanging thingy on the back. So, see, this is what I have to climb up. Oh, I want to show you this painting. This is one of my first paintings that I did a mallet smash on, and it has resin and then glass marbles glued to on top of the resin. And I love this painting, but it has some flaws. And so therefore I have not sold it because, let's see, there are, can't see it, but there's, like, the back of it is a disaster. So I've always wondered about selling it because it's a mess. Oh, now you're just like seeing everywhere. Sometimes I forget that I still have this on my hand. And that noise you're hearing is that I stepped on a piece of tape. So, okay. So let me put you on here. There. Now I won't walk around with you anymore. Let's try and get... So anyhow, that painting that I just showed you is one of my favorites. And I really should have it hanging upstairs so that I can see it all the time. But, okie doke. I'll get some gloves on. I'm just going to jump right in here. So if you have questions about stuff I do, I've got a info video pinned to the front page of my channel. I have paint mixing videos in my playlists, and I have an Amazon list in my descriptions for products I use. So I'm just going to jump in here, and I'm going to use Prussian blue, raw umber. This got confused. I confused somebody last time because this is raw umber. This is raw umber with a ton of white in it. So I guess I did not probably make that clear in my last video. And then I'm using Napfall Crimson. These both actually have this gloss gel medium in it, but that's just because they do from the video that I made where I was experimenting with it. But I found that it dried the same as all my other paintings, so I would not necessarily advise anyone to purchase it because I did not notice any difference. But since I was looking so closely at that painting, I did notice that the Grumbacher, the blue, was a lot more vivid and shiny than any of the other colors. So, I mean, Grumbacher is a bit higher quality, but it's still like they're basic, but, you know, I don't know. But once you varnish it, it's all shiny anyways. So, and Grumbacher is quite a bit more money for less paint, you know, per ounce. So I'm not going to switch to it because I don't have that kind of money. So, all right, so this is an ounce flip cup, but since I just want those little lines, what I'm going to do is just fill it so smidgy, that's an anism, smidgy, that I'm hoping it even comes out. Oh, and this canvas I'm using, remember way back when I was playing around with different color negative space pours? Well, this has gesso on it, but this was my orange one. And it was orange and gray and black, and it was not attractive. And I had, I didn't even tape the back, so I'm not even taping it for this either. So if it's a success, whoever buys it will just have a very interesting looking back. which just adds character to the painting. Okay, I think I need a drop of water in this because this is like, whoops, not even moving. I'm just going to scoop it out. Hoping I have enough white in here. Not really sure how this is going to go. So I have tilted it. No, nothing happening. So let's just cover that. I wonder if I fan it out. All right, well that idea is shot for now. Because now I got another idea on my plate. And I'm just gonna I don't want that. All right, new plan. I'm gonna do one of those swipey things that I did when I was trying to do like sort of like what Emily does, and that painting sold. And I think it was video 221 of mine, so I think it's 221, and that painting was, I will humbly say, was pretty darn amazing. And I've not been able to do one since then like that. There we go. So, may as well. I've got this bare, canvas now, so may as well try it. Popping all the air bubbles, a ton of air bubbles since that was all shook up. Like Elvis. Let's see if I can get, I'm just going right here now while I'm cleaning out that flip cup because it seems stupid to waste it. So I'm just, while that paint is still wet in there, I'm just running a paper towel around it. Good enough. All right, so and now I don't know what I'm doing, which is half the fun. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do the swipies with. No, I've got a piece of cardboard here. I guess I can use that. The best thing was when I used my daughter's picture. well. Ooh, I kind of got a little excited there, didn't I? Well, you know what? I can scoop up all this white paint and put it back. There we go. Look at me recycling. Wow, this is actually a really good idea. Maybe I need a little plastic scooper. Seriously, an awesome idea. Gosh, and sometimes your genius just creativity shines through. Don't mind me while I just sing my praises. I'm telling you, it's been a really long spring break. Me alone on the couch with the heating pad and drugs. But I am feeling better since my epidural yesterday. But last week I had a shot and I felt good the next day. And then the day after that I had like a cortisone reaction, and that was incredibly unpleasant. So I'm holding my breath until I get through tomorrow. That was stupid. I should not have done those last things. Seriously, quite liking this though. Ugh, hair in my mouth. I really am liking this. I need to get... There's an awful lot of paint. Well, maybe there isn't. There kind of is. But I don't know how to get that off without tilting everything. She always spins hers, but I don't have my Lazy Susan here. I could spin it like a pizza on my fingertips. Thinking that might not work the same. I could shake it. Shake, 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 shake. That really did nothing. But I do like this, and I think I am going to say it's a finished painting. Because I do like it. Let me turn it around so you can see it in the direction that I have been looking at it. Ooh, I really do like this. I'm really happy with this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.